What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video. I have been wanting, before I got the car, to be able to view Sentry Mode from my phone remotely, and now it's here. Let's check it out. So what I want to show you, kind of how to turn it on, what software you need, and all of that in the Tesla app. So now we're back on the display. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that the mobile app is updated to 4.2.3, and also you do have the update that shows Sentry Mode live view, and I'll show you how it looks. It'll look something like this. You can now view your car surrounding from the Tesla app when parked. You'll also see that in this other screen. Once that's done, you're going to go to safety and security, and your app is updated. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see it right here. You're going to make sure your Sentry Mode is on, of course. Then you're going to toggle on view live camera via mobile app, and this is the message that will pop up as well for you. Allows you to remotely view your car surroundings. So once that's toggled on, you're pretty much good to go. You can remotely view your car. So now what I'm going to do is step out of the car, walk around it and let you see it, and put my mobile app over here to the side as well. And as you all know, you can talk through the car as well. I'll try to get a soundbite of that as well. So let's check it out. So the first thing we're going to do right now is open the Tesla app, and you're going to see right here security is turned on, and you'll see a little red dot right there, so you know Sentry Mode is on no matter where you're located. And so now you see right here under Sentry Mode it says view live camera. So we're going to test it out. I will be in the front of the car and we're going to see how it does. And the car just locked. So you can see me right there. Let me go ahead and speak through it. I am your leader.
I am your leader.
Hey, get away from my car, dude.
Hey, get away from my car, dude.
So you see that. So now we're gonna do is go to the left side of the car, and I'm gonna walk around, and you should see me come into view right here. Let's say if I'm looking in the car, anything like that. So that's kind of how it is. You also see on that screen the recording. I forgot about that. You will not see it actually in the car. So this screen recording will be the only thing you'll see. Now we're going to work our way to the back. And you can see right here, if I bend down, there I go right there. So it's letting people know as they walk around my car and I'm viewing it and I can speak through it. And then we're going to walk to the right side of the car, and you're going to see me right here. So that's kind of how this works, basically, with the new update, which I really love. So we'll go back to the front of the car. And one thing I did not tell you, the lights do, once you first go into View Live Sentry Mode, the lights will flash. And I'll show you a picture of that as well. I'm back in the car. I wonder if it taped me doing that. The view in the app is not bad at all. So hopefully everybody liked that video. Let me know in the comments below if you think they should add a little bit more to it or not. Right now I'm pretty satisfied with it. At least I do have remote control of Sentry Mode when I'm gone and using that crazy little voice. It would be nice if they would let us change the voice, tune it a little bit, which is cool. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment and tell me what you think. So please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you're notified when I do post videos in the future. Once again, this is YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.